Model 2017 Ford Transit T350 MK8 2.0 TDCi Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body grey, panel van. Mileage 93,249. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130ps. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped. This is a relatively easy repair on this engine. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.